Okay, thank you, Peg. Hope everybody enjoyed today's investigation. I was happy to be able to get to, I think, almost every room and sit with you for a few minutes. And it's really interesting to listen to the conversations you're having. And I'm glad that we've given you a little bit more time today and yesterday to talk to each other. I apologize that Monday was so packed with a lot of things we had to cover. So tonight for homework, as in the other nights, there is on the webpage a very short document that says Day 3 Homework Directions. And just to give you a preview of what we're going to be doing, as in the other days, there is one evaluation just to evaluate the app that you worked with today. Another one where we ask some general questions, and a third one that's optional for you to give us any other feedback you'd like to, and to ask questions that you would like addressed in tomorrow morning's discussion. So one of the things that we're going to ask you about today is we're going to revisit teacher guides. We asked some questions about teacher guides on our first day. Now you've had a chance to look at 3 of them. And in fact, if you wanted to, you could look at all 5 because they're all online right now. We feel that the teacher guide is probably the single most important support document that we're going to provide instructors. And so we want to make sure we get it right. And so we're asking, now that you've had a chance to look at several of them, maybe you have some different comments or insights that you didn't have on Monday. And so we're asking you to take a few minutes to tell us about what you think about the teacher guides. You can give us very specific input or just very general input if that's all you have. The other thing we're going to ask about today, and I'm particularly leaning on all of you who teach NGSS or 3-dimensional learning, is we want to see if we're getting the design right. Is it obvious to you that we're integrating both content with science practices and also the big cross-cutting ideas that extend across all the sciences? Even if you're not an NGSS educator, can you see that 3-dimensional design in what we're doing? Can you identify all of those? And so we have a couple questions about that 3-dimensional design tonight as well. And tomorrow we'll deal with a few other aspects. So that's all I have to say for today. We are on the hour and you are welcome to leave, but if you want to hang around for a few minutes to chat with us, you're welcome to do that also. Thank you for coming today, and we'll see you all tomorrow.